Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. The project is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. We start with summary data about the company. If necessary, you can pause the video. We invite you to consider all the parameters of the corporation under study more carefully. We will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the corporation Gibraltar Industries, ticker ROCK. This review was created using current data as of March 24, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets company Gibraltar Industries Inc. belongs to the subcategory Green. 86 companies participate in the comparison, and this is very representative. We'll look at the order table at the end of this video. The overall result for the company in question is as follows: 8 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 1.7 points. If you look broadly, within the stock market as a whole, note that the average result for the entire US stock market in aggregate is 1.9 points, against a score of 8 points for Gibraltar Industries. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares Gibraltar Industries and subcategory companies, we will see that in 12 months the shares Gibraltar Industries showed a dynamics of minus 21.2%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory of 15.1%. This clearly does not mean anything, but it is necessary to take note of this fact. Market capitalization of the company Gibraltar Industries Inc. is $1.85 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $181 billion. Gibraltar Industries accounts for a share of 1.021% and is one of the small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $1.05 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $79 billion. Gibraltar Industries constitutes a share of 1.325%. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Gibraltar Industries in the subcategory when assessing market value is 1.021%. The book value is 1.325%, which is 30% more than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The financial liabilities of the organization under study amount to $0.042 billion. Financial liabilities to book value represent 4% of the company's equity. Rating for the company's debt level, very good, 2 points. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 13.5. The average in the subcategory is 0, which is significantly better than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market price to its profit in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $137 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are tentatively expected to be $162 million. And this is 18% more than now. Assessment of the predicted future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 1.4. The average in the subcategory is 1.6, and this is 13% lower than the average in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's stock price to its revenue in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,310 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $1,550 million, which is 18% more than at the current moment. Assessment of the estimated future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. The margin is 10.5%, with the average in the subcategory minus 4.6%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 15.1%. Assessment of marginality in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 0.761%. This is 34% less than the share of market capitalization. And this fact shows the imbalance of the company's current market price, Gibraltar Industries, rather towards revaluation. The amount of market capital per company employee is $881,000. Whereas for the subcategory $657,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 34.1%. Assessment of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory Tolerable, 0 points. The volume of profit for each employee of the company is $65.5 thousand, with the average in the subcategory minus $19.3 thousand. And the difference between the average for the subcategory and the company's indicators is $85,000. Estimation of profit for each employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. The sales volume per individual employee of the organization is $624,000. In the subcategory, there are $422,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 48%. Assessment of sales per individual employee of the company in comparison with indicators in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 1.3%, with an average for the subcategory of 5.6%. This is a short squeeze indicator. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 40% for the company Gibraltar Industries. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 46%. Potentially, securities of the subcategory are quoted approximately the same as the company's shares Gibraltar Industries. The company's current stock price is approximately $60.88. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $92.66. The dynamics of the actual assessment and consensus forecast is approximately 52%. Let's go to the order table, which is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions publicly made this season by the information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's securities Gibraltar Industries Inc. Information and reference assessment System.GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a buy trade at a price of $60.89. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively high valuation. The organization was assessed based on the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of the exchange session on April 23, 2025. or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker, the LLO, will become a balancing sell order. The video on the balance order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing one of the orders, basic or balancing, the opposite order is closed automatically. Thank you very much to the public for watching this video and for using the information system, Guru Markets. You really are the coolest audience on the planet.